There we go. All right, so we got the pressure tester hooked up because I wanted to verify. I had a feeling it was our thermostat housing gasket, and sure as shit,
yeah, it is.
It is.
Because if you come along this side, I mean, you can see where it just kind of...
It's piddling.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see it very good. I'm trying to keep the light on it so you can see.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
It's all wet in there, and it's slowly coming out. But
Yep.
It'll sit here, and it'll start to dribble down. You can see it dribbling, starting to dribble right now.
Yep.
And it'll start filling the manifold. So yeah, we'll let her down. We'll reseal it. No big deal. Scotty! We've been tracing. Dome light issue.
This is...
And I've given you most of the story of the toggles that were in here prior and all of this. And the headlight switches are out. We're chasing things.
Just be on the safe side. We take the headlight switch out. There should be no power to anything.
Correct.
We take the dome light switch out. Should be no power to anything. Show them what we have, Johnny.
Fucking dome light.
Yep.
Andre's helping us too.
Headlight switch is out. Dome light switch is out. There's still power to a dome light.
Yep.
So someone tapped into it near the fuse.
And this...
Not up near the fuse. It could be anywhere along the harness.
And this...
Those wires run across the roof either this way and down through the pillar and in. This way, over, down, and into the dashboard.
So courtesy lights and dome lights have power at all times until you complete the circuit when you open the door or push the switch.
And
I even have them disconnected at the fuse band.
yeah, so it's got a backfeed of power somewhere.
And did you ever figure out where that orange wire went?
Nope.
Under the console?
And this whole thing...
Is there a cigarette lighter? Is there a cigarette lighter in the center?
Yes, there is. It's right...
That has constant power too on an old American car.
Yep.
I wonder if someone tapped into that.
Cigarette lighter. Hold on. I'm coming to the other side. But here's the other thing too, boys. And I've been kind of filling Scotty in. And I got to have him go look at the old videos. Yeah, that's cigarette lighter right there.
Yeah, I wonder if someone taps into that because they have constant power and they're generally a thicker gauge wire.
Yes. Well, it's got... The cigarette lighter, boys, is brown. It's not hot, though. It's brown and black right here.
It's not supposed to be brown and black. It's supposed to be orange and black.
But,
or white and black.
But there it is right there. Now here's our other conundrum, gentlemen.
Okay.
Going back to the toggle switch.
Right.
Plethora that was down there. Scotty, I got to show you that video.
Okay.
But all of that stuff's all tapped in together. But this is definitely, we need to find where this wire comes down and out. We can find the other end of that, which the easiest way is going to be pull that off. I'll get the multimeter and we put it on.
Yeah, because I don't want this on much longer before it starts melting things.
And killing batteries.
Ooh, yeah, that's getting hot as crap.
Go unhook the battery. And then we'll ring it out, find the other end of the wire, and chase it from there.
Yeah.
But yeah, this has been a problem, and it's been pulling my hair out. I mean, I've been fighting this thing for a long time.
Some people shouldn't touch things.
Well, that's the problem, is somebody 2 owners ago got way goofy.
Yeah, well, why? I wonder what the daisy chaining of toggle switches was about. I mean...
Oh, and it was tapped into the power for... I got to watch the video, and then you can see it, because trying to remember all this stuff, that's another reason why a video.
When you're working on multiple cars.
Yeah, so let me show Scotty that video. It's already filming. Grab it.
Okay, here we go.
On action.
Okay, so if you... Where's your... Look through here. Okay, you'll see this connector. And this wire right here, this black one that I'm tapping, okay, runs a V, being the black wire going to the passenger side, which you'll see me jiggling here, okay, and then the other portion goes down in this pillar, and it is a larger wire. If I can pull it up, there we go. And it is what appears to be gray, I think, or it's just, I'm not sure. So you come down here, and here it is. Right there.
Going to nothing.
But it does. Runs inside. What is that? The rear fucking wiring harness.
Mm-hmm. That's where it plugs into.
Somewhere. Back in here. So I don't think the issue is from here going forward. It's in the dash.
Yeah,
There is no doubt in my mind.
Yeah, because I seriously thought someone would take shit apart in the back.